So now I am going to do the problem related to income and expenditure account. So we will do the question number 9. So look at the question. First payment side salaries, traveling expenses, stationery, rent, repairs, books, building, asset, books, building, asset, cash in hand, asset, then receipt side, cash in hand, subscription, subscriptions, donation, sale of furniture, entrance fees, life membership fee liability, interest on investment at the rate of 5% for full year. So here, one thing you have to remember, here they given interest on investment. Interest on investment, they given that is 5% amount, it is 5,000. You look that in the payment side, any investment, otherwise additional information, any investment, any investment, no, no. So you have to calculate the value of investment. Then you have to write where in opening balance sheet also, closing balance sheet also, you have to write the amount of investment. Clear? So here interest on investment, the percentage it is given. It is not an accrued one. We paid. But here they didn't give investment amount. Invest amount it is not given. So how to calculate? How to calculate? This 5,000. This is 5. Interest percentage is 5. So if you calculate into 100, then you will get a total amount of investment. Okay. So interest on investment it is given. Interest on investment it is given, but they didn't mention the value of investment. Investment value. If it is not given, if it is given means no problem. If it is not given means we have to calculate amount of investment. Amount of investment is equal to this 5,000. This is 5 into 100 into 100. If it is 10% divided by 10 into 100. 5,000 is 5. 5. So we have to calculate 100. Okay. Now, now we will do the problem. Okay. Now, first one, salary. You look that this is very easy. Additional information is given. Some adjustment, some asset value. If it is adjustment, it is there. You have to look. You know that outstanding means end add opening less. Which is received in advance means opening add closing less. Then if any consumables, Stationery, medicines, opening stock add, closing stock less. Everything we will use now here. So first one you look at salaries. Any adjustment related to salary in additional information? No. So same amount. 24,000. Next, traveling expenses. No adjustment. So same amount. Next one, stationery. Stationery. Any adjustment? Aparna, any adjustment related to stationery?
Yes, sir.
Opening stock, closing stock. What we have to do? Opening stock?
We have to add, and
Yes.
closing stock we have to
Yes.
less.
Already we studied consumable adjustment. Opening stock. Next item, rent. So you have to look any adjustment. Sharath, any adjustment, rent,
Outstanding rent.
outstanding it is there. End also, opening also. Ninth question. So end add, opening less. Next, repairs, no adjustments. Repairs, no adjustments. Next, books asset, building asset, cash in hand asset. Now receipt side. First, subscriptions. So first you have to write by subscription. By subscription received. So additional information, outstanding also given, received in advance also given. Both we have to adjust. We know. Add outstanding subscription. add subscription received in advance at the beginning. Next, less opposite. Okay. So every adjustment it is there, additional information. So in receipt said no other adjustment. So by subscription, add outstanding at the end, received in advance in the beginning, add less opposite. Now next item, subscription over donation. No other adjustment. So it will come income side by donation, 3,000. By donation, 3,000. Next, sale of furniture, book value 6,000, sold value 4,000. So loss is there. Next, entrance fees, no adjustments. Next, life membership fee, we know that it is capitalized only. It will become liability side, then interest on investment. So for why they given percentage means for calculating investment value. That is the value of interest on investment. Okay, 5,000. Full we got also 5% for full year we got. So no other adjustments. Now any other item? Additional information received in advance, outstanding over, stock of station over, books of furniture, that is asset, outstanding rent we already adjusted over. Okay, one thing, one adjustment it is there. So listen carefully. Here they given one information, asset. You look at the books. If opening there and the closing is there, then there will be an amount of depreciation. Listen carefully. If opening amount asset, opening amount also given, closing also amount also given, then you have to understand there will be a amount of depreciation. How to calculate? First you look at books opening amount 13,500. Okay, opening 13,500. Then you have to look in payment side, any books, any books. Yes, 6,000 books is there. Now you have to look any sale of books. No. Any sale of books, book value, no. So this is the value. This is the current value. Correct? Opening amount plus payment, purchase, payment, purchase, payment, purchase. This is the current value. Now you have to look closing amount. It is how much amount? 16,500. So this 3,000 is amount of depreciation. Clear? Opening amount plus payments. If any sale is there, less book value. That value and the closing value we have to compare. That difference amount will be amount of depreciation. So like that, furniture, opening 16,000, purchase is there? No, no purchase, but sale is there. Sale, book value. Now current value is 10,000. So closing value 8,000. So amount of depreciation 2,000. Clear, Femina? Any doubts?
No, sir.
Any student? Any doubts? So when we have to do like this, if opening and closing it is given, when opening and closing it is given, okay, over. Everyone turn on your video. Everyone turn on your video. So credit side total. Credit side is more. $59,700.
Sir, can you show the last slide?
Depreciation of furniture.
68,500.
Yes. Anila, yes, correct. Shubham, correct answer. Anila, whatever.
Sir, the before slide. The
Before?
slides are the one way.
Shubham said correct answer. 68,500. Shubham Pal.
Yes, sir.
Now you find surplus. Now one more pattern is there, 11th question. That only. Then remaining same on. The 8 mark. Anila, over.
Yes, sir.
68,500. Excess of income or anyone?
11,100.
Yes, 11,100 surplus. 11,100. Now we can do opening balance sheet. So if it is additional information, if it is given means it will be easy to do opening balance sheet because every opening item it is given. Then extra opening cash only you have to look. So balance sheet as on 1st April 2016. Balance sheet as on 1st April 2016. So first item everyone know opening cash. $6,800. Now receipt and payment account, one item it is there that you don't forget. Here interest on investment 5% it is given. Then we found one item that you have to write. Don't forget. It is like that adjustment is there. Interest on investment 5% for full year. So in this case, because we are calculating interest on the base of investment only. So 1 lakh into 5%, that is 5,000 we wrote. Okay. Cash in hand, investment. Then you have to look additional information. Subscription received in advance. Opening only at rate, asset or liability. Anila. Subscription received in advance, asset or liability.
Liability.
Yes. Only a opening amount. Outstanding subscription. Shubham Pal, asset or liability.
Liability.
No, it will be opposite. Outstanding subscription. Asset. Outstanding subscription. Okay, asset, outstanding income. Outstanding income. Only opening amount. Next, stock of stationery. Stock. Aditya, asset or liability.
Asset.
Yes, stock of stationery. Next, books, no need to tell, you know that asset, same amount.